So welcome to Special English today. Today we have the target for traffic audience. Be consistent, think sensibility and discovering ability. Create the shareable content, collaborate with other YouTubers, interact with viewers, be authentic. Target for specific audience. Who are you? Who is your audience? Niches have a package growth potential. Tip for success. Find a small target audience. Make videos that people like and repeat. Be consistent. Most popular channels are consistent. Who is consistent? Consistency is why people subscribe you. Consistency also means video format, elements and personality. If you create a loyalty and grow expectation, create a consistency by breaking it into series. How to be a success? Stick to the schedule, whatever that is. Create a branding, the elements, add your schedule to your channel art. I hope you really enjoy this. And people can share that this is the long distance, and people can share that it is an important part that you should do it.